Welcome to a brand new series from DNA Baits. Before I joined the media team at the company, I used to film my angling exploits, whether it be on my syndicates, day tickets. I also made a number of films over in France. So Vinny's vlog is coming back, but this time it's coming back slightly different. Being a videographer in this industry sees you go to a whole host of different types of carp venues, whether it be shooting angling films or doing product stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind the scenes a little bit, give you guys a little bit of an insight on how these carp films that we all love to watch, how they're made. I'm going to show the highs and the lows. I'll also have the camera with me during my own fishing. I've got quite a lot of exciting stuff planned for the rest of the year. He's out. Me and my good mate Bonesy, Tracker Supremo and also DNA user. We went across the channel into France. We went to a place called the Zoo, which is an amazing venue, I have to say. Boney, all right, here he is. There's Ollie, say hello Ollie. Hey babes. What you don't see is what we go through to create those films, because unfortunately I think this one's not going to be available for you guys to see, because it's it's just been tough. Big pit fishing, and we are with one of my pals, Danny, who is a new member of DNA. Okay, so I've just landed at Orchid Lakes, which is a venue I have never been to before. We are shooting a little session with Mozza and Bart. They're already here, they got here yesterday. Apparently they have had a couple of fish, so it's going good. Yes, mate, yes, mate. Oh, dead. Double bubble. Look at that. Proper orchid stunner.